Now somebody needs to send you a helmet.
Y'all hear that?
And some gloves.
Guess what we got? More mail from our friends at Art Captain. Hopefully our address is not on that. But anyways, 3 packages that we're gonna open today. Which one do we want to open first?
Oh, do the top one.
Okay. I was assuming I think I know what this is. It's not. Dox ourselves here.
This is from
These
Arc.
look nice.
This is from Arc Captain.
Arc Captain.
Arg.
They sent us a lovely pair of new welding gloves because we do need those.
They sent you.
Sent me because I'm cooler than you.
This is specifically for you.
Look at that. Actually, these are really nice. Hold on, come closer. They have red stitching. I actually feel nice too. I feel the quality of those.
Whoa.
Right? These are nice.
Fit my hand? Oh, they're just a little too small for me.
They're perfect for me.
You're lucky. I was going to steal them.
You hear that?
What else you got?
Those look so good. I'm happy. All right, on to package number 2. Sorry, that was really loud.
Oh, that's much better. Now
What?
I can see the screen.
See, I'm getting better opening packages, guys. I swear. Wait, hold on, there's side tape.
Better keep that address away.
I have an assumption upon what this could be because it says it on it. But they sent us a new, was it MIG TIG?
TIG.
TIG? That's a lot of words.
All right, we'll get into that in a second.
That's exciting. That's super exciting.
We'll have to get the other cart.
Yeah.
The welder out and everything. We'll try it.
All right. This one I'm most excited about. Just so it doesn't fall.
Don't drop the TIG like you dropped the microphone last time.
Do you guys hear this bullying? Ah, I'm excited. Come on out. You ready? That's cute! Oh my gosh. Oh my. Ah, I love it. There's stuff down. Oh, it comes with a light. Oh my gosh, this is actually so cool. Ah! Look at it! Oh my gosh, I love that. It's got like pinks and purples. Okay,
It's tiny.
good. Come closer.
Does your head fit in there?
I do have a tiny head. Where do I put my head?
There you go.
How do I? No, that's wrong.
Back up. Yeah, it is. This is the back of your head. Back up so we can see you.
My ponytail might be in the way. It does in fact fit. I definitely need to adjust something because
Sweet.
Where does this go?
Get back over there so we can
Oh.
go back so we can see you.
Sorry, there's not a lot of room right here. Need to take my ponytail out. Just a second.
So on the side, you want to adjust those so
Yeah.
it stays up on the outside.
Which way do I turn it?
You just tightened it. Now you loosened it. Now don't go too far. You got to be able to open and close it. That's the long
That's
way.
loosened.
There you go. You still want to be able to flip it up.
I know, but I gotta.
Tighten that back pad up too.
How do I do that?
Put your head in it and then turn the knob.
Aha!
Is it squeezing your brain?
There it is.
It's squeezing her brain.
I have a tiny head. How do I look?
Well, flip up. And stay up. And then when you go like this, there you go.
That would definitely just slammed so loud into that. And they have my favorite part of all these.
Here we go.
Oh my gosh.
I know you were waiting for it.
My hair is a mess.
I know you're waiting for it.
Mm-hmm.
There's one on the inside too.
There. Yes, there is. Give me a second. Ah, I might need help. Ah, got it. Ah, it's not coming out in one piece. Dunzos.
Got a bunch of knobs on the outside. Let's take a look at it.
I think this is so cute. I like this
We
a lot.
have, let's see if I can get you in frame here. We have the delay.
That's
for
cool.
welding. Then we have the darkness here. It goes all the way out. And then you have the same sensitivity. That's how fast it's going to turn on and off. Then you have cut, weld, and grind on there.
Oh my gosh.
So it's got the same controls that mine has. Only you don't have the lights. What's in the box?
It's in the it's in the box. The light's in the box. Don't worry. Don't you worry.
What? Oh, I see. That goes up here?
I'm assuming it goes here.
Does it slide?
Sticks.
So it sticks on. It sticks on right there.
Does it go? I don't think it. I think it goes here.
You think it goes
Hold
there?
on.
Yeah. Let's take a look because you only got one shot.
Hold on. We're a little
Oh,
slow.
and it's got the charger.
Wait, it's got magnet. What's this?
That's
Alright.
That's a battery for this.
No, it's. I didn't even realize it was
It's
a battery.
that goes in there.
Okay, let's see.
Wait a minute. When did you learn to read?
I didn't. I'm just looking at pictures. Yeah, I was right. Peel off, protective layer, and then right here. Okay. Put my hair back up.
All right, let's put it on. Oh. That's probably for your charger there.
Yeah.
But where's the on switch? I think this is supposed to pop out.
Don't break it.
Okay, so you can stick your thing on wherever you want.
And now you can
But
figure
where's
out.
the on switch?
You might have to look.
Oh, it's under there.
Oh, that is so bright.
That's just the little one.
Ah!
How about that?
That's better.
That's brighter.
Got me facing the other way.
It just pops in.
Oh, I messed it up. There we go. There we go. And it moves, I think. Yeah. Look at that. Guys, our captain's spoiling me.
That's awesome.
They're my best friends. Look at that. I'm in love. Where's the button? I'll find it. Ah.
That's one. You can aim it.
Oh, I need to tighten this.
Let's aim down. Now you're aiming towards me.
I got the camera.
Click it again, you get the cob light.
Oh my gosh.
That's a good deal lighter than mine, isn't it?
Yeah. It's because I'm cooler than you. Thank you guys at Art Captain for spoiling me so much. I love you guys all. Because this is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Just turned in Jersey. Thumbs up. Thumbs up.
Right,
I'm so happy with that.
Where are we going to put your paper?
My paper?
Yeah, this and this. Did this come with it?
Yep.
So it comes with extra shields too?
I didn't even see.
Turn it around.
They sent me stickers.
Oh good, I don't have to share my stickers now. Put this in the
All
bag.
right.
Put this in the bag. That way you can zip it up and not lose it.
They know that I love my stickers. If anyone wants to send me stickers, I'll gladly appreciate.
Certified, can't say it, just like the first video. There we go.
Bad donkey.
Welder top 1. Flash life.
I might put that in my car.
I'm a dad and a welder.
That's me. That's me.
Yep, she's a dad and a welder.
I'm a dad and a welder.
Art Captain.
I'm gonna put this one in my car.
Okay, let's get reset so we can take a look at this TIG.
I'm excited. I'm definitely gonna be so bad at it, but practice makes
We're
perfect.
gonna try.
With my new helmet and new gloves.
Trash.